Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Do it yourself. Okay, today we're going to paint this room. You see, this is a 120 square feet room. It's a very big room with 3 windows. Okay, 1 fan, and the door don't need to be painted. Okay, they're already okay. I already put the plastic on the floor so that the paint doesn't fall on the floor. And also, let's see what we got to start. I have my paint. I like this brand because it keeps the paint really nice and fresh. I have the gloves. Okay, I have my rolls here. I have one piece of I have here one piece of, let me put it right here. I have one piece of roll that I'm gonna use, the short one, and I do have the long one right there to help me reach the highest part of the wall. Okay, and I have my mask. I have this to pour the paint inside the bucket, and let's start it. Okay, now I'm gonna open up this paint. I got this from the floor, from the store for free. When you buy the painting, they give it to you. So you have opened it. So it's kind of hard, but this is oops, you know what? Let me wear my gloves. I forgot. Because this box of paint, I already used it once. This is the 1 gallon, which is 3.78 liter. 1 gallon of paint, and believe me, it's gonna be enough for the whole room. It's not too much. So I'm wearing my gloves. I'm going to try to open this box of paint. Okay, I got it. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna pour it here in the holder tray. I just pour a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'll cover. I'm not gonna lock it too much because I'm gonna come back and get more. Okay. Here we are. Okay, now okay, I decided to start by the bottom of the room over there and walk my way to the front of the room, okay, which is this door. So I'm gonna start there. I want to make sure I turn off this fan for now, but I'll be turning them back later. But here, so we're gonna start by this part of the wall having the 2 windows, and then from there I work my way. I will do the left side and then the right side, and then finish it here. Okay, here's my holder. So I got my paint here, a white paint, because we're trying to paint that room white, from yellow to white. I like the white because the white keeps the room really fresh. Okay, so let me start here. First of all, I'm gonna start by here just to, you know, just to have the paint everywhere on the wall. I just want to make clear that I'm leaving this, the window curtains, they're very old, because I want to leave it so that they stay like a cover so that I don't have the paint everywhere. So I'm keeping here, but once I'll be done with the room, I'm going to throw them away. Okay? So, this side. We are applying the first coat. This is a brush I'm gonna use to finish the border in between the two walls, okay? So I'm gonna use that to finish up. Okay, it's just a simple brush. You can get it at the store, even at the dollar store for $1. You can get like 4 or 5 of them, and that's it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now I just put the basic on the wall. Now look, it started already look good. Okay, so I put, now you see that we still have, you can still see the yellow right there. Okay, we can still see the yellow here by the border. Okay, you can still see it. So what I'm gonna do this part with the brush. Okay, all this I'm gonna do it with the brush. If you notice it's not completely white, so we still see the whole paint. So I'm gonna use the brush now to do the finish up. Okay. Okay, I removed the windows blind now. Remember, it was blind like this window. I removed the blind so I can paint the border inside. See that? It look good. It look good. You see that? It look really good now. You see? This room start to be more light, more clean, more freshy, right? So here, let's take a look. See, I'm putting the paint on the border. All the small size where we cannot use the roll, I just use the brush. You see that? I just use the brush. Start to look good, right?